Are you struggling to make a good YouTube thumbnail even with Canva? Most tutorials teach you complicated design theory, but today I'm going to show you my 5-minute no design skills needed template that I use to create every single thumbnail for this channel. We are going to do this entire process on your phone, using only the free version of Canva. By the end of this video, you will have your first professional thumbnail ready to upload. Before we start, you need to remember the 3 simple rules that all professional thumbnails follow. Rule number 1. High contrast. Your text and your background must be opposites. This is what makes your image pop. Rule number 2. Legibility. Your font must be bold and easy to read, and you must use an outline so it can be read on any background. Rule number 3. One main focus. Your viewer should know exactly what your video is about in half a second. Use one main object and make it huge. Step 1. Open Canva and set the size to 1280 by 720. Choose a solid, dark background color to make everything else stand out. Step 2. The focus. Search for your main element and make it huge. Remember rule number 3. One main focus only. Step 3. Add your text using Arquivo Black. Go to Effects and add a black outline. This makes it readable even on a tiny phone screen. Step 4. Add a bright arrow to give the viewer's eyes. Once you are happy, download it as a high quality PNG. And here it is, a professional high contrast thumbnail made entirely on a phone in just 5 minutes. If this was helpful, please hit the like button and subscribe for more Canva tips for creators. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one. Bye!